Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you watch basketball by any chance?
Yes.
Okay. Who do you think is better, Bam or Kobe? Let's be honest. Come on, come on. Let's be honest.
Based off of what though?
All time.
All time.
All time.
But Bam's still playing.
We do not care.
How can we make this conversation?
Don't matter. He's already better than Kobe all time, in my opinion. What you mean?
Based off of what?
What?
Does he got a championship yet?
Don't matter. See, we're not going to take rings into this equation right now. Let's not take rings into the equation. 83 is better than 81, bro.
Even when the team is giving up?
Hell yeah. If they faced each other right now, I think Bam winning.
If they face each other right now?
Bam and Kobe in a 1v1.
Based off of his 83 he scored against
Hell yeah. He'll score.
the B squad.
He'll score.
Of what, the Wizards was it?
See, it wasn't no B squad. It was the Wizards though. That was the Wizards.
That
It
they're
don't
a
matter.
B squad right now, right?
Hey, they are low key, but Bam's still better though. All right.